Hi guys, it's Mary. Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a face of makeup from a new brand. This is a clean brand. Actually, it says inclusive, period, clean, period, cruelty-free, period, and 100% vegan. So what do we think? Do we like this look? I like this look. It is from LYS, and that stands for Love Yourself. It says on their website that their mission is to diversify the clean beauty industry. And this new brand is brought to you by a lovely woman named Tisha Thompson. And I love that name. That name, Tisha, or Tish, I guess, is my oldest friend. Like me and her were childhood friends together. Now I picked up my products from their website, but they are new in Sephora as well. And so I want to show you the beautiful packaging. Heck, let me just reach this box here. The box that this stuff comes in, I think, is pretty impressive. It's a good weighted cardboard, but look at the little cutouts. These are cutouts of the triangles. Everything is triangle shaped. So you got a rose gold cap that, let me wipe it off. I got my fingerprints all over it. Guilty. This packaging is so luxe looking. I think it's beautiful. This is a triple serum foundation, which scared me at first, but I think that maybe we can agree it's beautiful. It says, satisfy your skincare and foundation fix at the same time with this clean, light to medium coverage. It's nourished with skincare and words I can't say, but I know one thing. When I was at their website, I kept seeing niacinamide. And I'm like, yes, give me all the niacinamide. This thing I can't say is an Indian ginseng, and it says it's powerful herb to help combat skin stress and visible signs of aging. Yay! Hyaluronic acid, which is to infuse the skin with intense hydration. Turmeric. I love turmeric. Okay, so turmeric provides antioxidant protection. Avocado oil, love that too. Helps to retain the skin's moisture for appearance of a revitalized and firmer looking complexion while providing oxidizing benefits. Actually put this on as soon as I opened up the box. And I had it on for like 6 hours and, just playing with it. Not even trying to put on my makeup. I think I just went down the center of my face with it and spread it out. And I was so impressed, I decided to go ahead and let's film it. I also picked up the powder, the bronzer, and the blush. Love them all. This is the powder. And after I, of course, got my foundation on, I set it with this. I have mine in translucent, triple fix, translucent, setting powder. I love that these are magnetized. I love that they're triangles. On the back of the box it says gently buff into the skin after foundation, not included. Using a powder brush, dust off excess product, reapply as needed. I'm going to take it with me tonight in case I need to touch up. It has niacinamide, which, like I said, was the whole got me. Okay, the niacinamide being in this stuff is what grabbed me. Green tea extract, which of course is an antioxidant, and sodium hyaluronate. It helps to retain skin moisture and visibly plump the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, in which case, let's just really powder our face every 5 minutes, right? But loving this. The bronzer and the powder look exactly alike to me on the outside case. So I actually have to turn it over to see. It says, for instant warmth, gently buff the product into the hollows of the cheeks, temples, or forehead, jawline using a brush, and build as needed. It has the same ingredients as the powder. So yeah. And then there's this, which I love so much. I love this blush. It's a cream blush, and I have not used cream blush in a very, very, very long time. This is in Self-Love. Like it, a whole bunch. Oh, it's so creamy. If you want to see me apply this stuff, let's get going. I obviously have done my eyes, brows, and I regret putting on this Charlotte Tilbury Flawless filter. But I just put it here. So if there's an extra amount of shine going on over here, keep in mind that I did put this under it. I wish I hadn't done that. Look at this bottle. It is fantastic. Usually serum foundations and me don't get along. It's pretty runny, but we're going to give it a shot. And I'm going to use a brush. The reason that I'm doing it is because it's a serum foundation. And when I use serum foundations, the sponge tends to make it so sheer that I do not enjoy it at all. So might as well just use a brush. This looks pretty good. So look at the packaging. I mean, this is good, sturdy cardboard. I just think that, wow, right? But anyway, so I take it out and like all new products, I just start slapping stuff on my face. And I thought it looked pretty darn good. So I wore it morning to afternoon, and I still thought it looked pretty darn good. So this is only the second time I put it on my skin, but I'm going out tonight, and I want to see how it does while I'm out and about with a mask. I think I maybe should have gone a shade lighter, because even though here on camera I think that that looks pretty good, in real life I think it's just a little bit too dark for me, so probably should have gone a little bit lighter or bought another foundation, but that's okay. I can make this work. If I was using my fingers, I probably could have got by with just, you know, one pump. Here's the powder. I really, really love this packaging. Here's the bronzer. I got it in the light shade Motivate. So just going to, normally I use a bigger brush than this, but it's all right. It's okay. I like it. I like it. But, you know, but what I'm really in love with is the next step. So I think that this looks pretty good. Try to contour with it a little bit, even though it's not actually a contour shade. But what the heck? This is super exciting to me. It's a cream blush, and I can't remember the last time I used a cream product, let alone blush. Anyway, I'm just taking this Rephr 19 because it's an undyed goat hair brush, and that's what I'm going to use to just tap this on my cheeks. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. I think that is just beautiful, just tapping that right there on my skin. Oh, so pretty. Start right there on the apples of my cheeks and move back. I'm going to use this Tarte setting spray, and I might touch up with a little powder to kind of knock the shine down just a little bit and a little bit. I also wanted to tell you that a couple of you have recommended like this tubing mascara. I've never heard of the brand before, but I got 3 of these, and I like this. I really, really like this wand. Let's compare it to my MAC Extended Play. I want to, because one of the reasons I love that tubing mascara is the wand. So, of course, the bottom one is MAC. I'm impressed with it, so we're just going to finish up my mascara here on the bottom. I think for right now I'm going to use this. Now later when I leave, I'm obviously going to switch to my pH activated lip balm from Sigma because I don't want it to get all over my mask. But for right now I'm going to put on this IT Cosmetics lipstick because it's comfortable, pretty, and it leaves behind a nice stain. And I think it'll go pretty well with that blush. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit more powder, I think, just right there on my nose. Well, heck. I'm going to bring some more on my pores, too, because you know what? Niacinamide is good for making your pores look smaller. Let me go do my hair, and I'll be right back. All right, so this is the finished look, and yeah, I think that it looks really good right now. And like I said, earlier today, I put it on. I wore it for like 6 hours, thought it still looked good. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and wear it out tonight. And then we shall find out, I guess, how it did underneath a mask and eating and all that good stuff. So this is the 9th hour for this. I have been out to eat for my birthday with my BFF. None of it got touched up. It's 9 hours old. I hope that you guys know and always remember you're the best part of the Fritzy family. And if you're not having a blessed day, just go out and be a blessing to somebody else. And until next time, love you, see ya, bye. And I'm out.
It's L-S-Y. No, L-L-Y. L. Love yourself. Love yourself. Oh, face of makeup that is cruelty-free, vegan-free. Vegan-free? Really, Mary? Like, words I can't say. Ashwadji. Who's buzzing in on me? Nobody. It's security camera. Security! Security! UPS is dropping off the box. You know what? That is not... Wow, you're looking a little muddy today, Mary. Wrong hand. Blah, 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 blah. Blush. Blah. I want to put on the blush. Gosh, you guys, you got anything that'll help with blackheads? I got this huge blackhead on my nose. Look at it. What am I going to do? How am I going to get that out there? You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see? You're gonna get all over my mask and smear all over my face. But you are so beautiful to me. And now, let me introduce to you the newest, the cleanest, the fastest blackhead removing tool in the world. I'm just kidding.